Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vintage Hunter Builds. This is Kevin, and it's been a minute. Hope everyone is keeping safe and hope everyone is okay. And we are back with another project, and we are super excited, man, to have this car as part of our collection. And drum rolls, please. It is a VW Kombi that we just got, and on this video we're just trying to get it started. So the car is actually a mover, and so just needed a bit of TLC here and there, and basically they had issues with starter and a couple of things, wiring issues, etc. So basically this is our first attempt at getting the car roaring back to life, and basically me and my friend taking a road trip, the fastest road trip further with the ride. Lakini mzee amebeba hapa nyuma ndio anajibamba. Hata lakini mturajo ni tricky. Hizo mtura za sapere cha nazo mzee. Na huku na medogi zinagonga kwa hii barabara. So hope you enjoyed the video, and we're super excited, man, about this car, and we're basically super excited about the adventures that we're gonna have with this car in the near future. So thank you very much for watching and for keeping it here, and stay safe, and definitely see you next time.